Welcome to our educational channel. Okay, in this video, I'll show an interesting math problem based on this diagram. Just to how to find the area of rectangle. Okay, if you notice, according to this diagram, there are three circles joined together, same area. The three circles having same area with same radius. So radius of the each circle is 4 centimeters, right? So we need to find. By observing this, one of the side we can find out. That is this length we can find out because two circles are combined side by side. So radius is circle is 4 means this total is 8 plus 8. Okay, that is according to this is a one more. It is the center. Right? Again this also 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So total 16. One so length is 16. But the main thing is how to find out this another side, length of the other side. Okay, that's the cos, not same. Okay, in this center of the position, if you join the centers, so in simple way I will show finding answer. If you join these three centers of the circle, it form a triangle. This is a equilateral triangle. If you notice this, so we need to find out this height. So the breadth we need. So based on that, if you see, for example, take some letters. Okay, so ABC. To show I am taking the word center of the three circles is ABC. Let us have this. These are the three sides are equal. Okay, I will show you this. So on rough diagram I have taken this side. So one is A, B and C. So distance from A to B is 8. Okay, this is equal. A to B is 8 centimeters. B to C also 8. And A to C is also 8. So every side is having 8 centimeters. So this is the equilateral triangle. To find out this total height, if I can find the height from this position, so that is from this center to this position if I find out. So let us take this as some D. DC distance if I know, then C to the remaining part is 4 centimeters and D to this above also 4 centimeters because the same radius it is throughout. So I should find out the length of the DC. According to the equilateral triangle, this is equilateral triangle. So if you join from midpoint of one of the side to the vertex, that is height of the equilateral triangle. Right? This is perpendicular. Height of the equilateral triangle let be x. We know that height of the equilateral triangle formula is root 3 by 2 into side. Or else you can use the Pythagoras theorem concept. If it is D, same. BCD is an equilateral triangle. Sorry, it's a right angle triangle. ABC is equilateral and BCD is a right angle triangle. 8 is a hypotenuse and BD is 4 centimeters and DC we can find out. Or else direct formula is root 3 by 2 into side to find the height of the equilateral triangle. Okay, root 3 by 2 into side is 8 centimeters. That is, can cancel 4. 4 root 3 centimeters is the value of x. Okay, so this is the 4 root 3. And from C to the next, so this is again 4 centimeters. This above also is the 4 centimeters, right? So then we can find out the B value. So according to this, one of the side length if it is as a 16 centimeters and B is equals to 4 root 3, top one 4 centimeters, down one 4 centimeters. So plus 4 and plus 4. That is 8 plus 4 root 3. Yes, length and breadth we got, then we can find out the area. Then area is equals to length in times breadth. Just you can multiply 16 into 8 plus 4 root 3. So this value we can simplify and get 16 into 8 plus, so this is 4 root 3. Take 4 common, 2 plus root 3. 64 into 2 plus. Okay, if you want approximate value, root 3 is irrational. that value is approximately 1.732. Okay, just you can calculate 64 into, that is 3.732. 64 into 3.732, so it's 238.848, so it's approximately 238.85 centimeters squares. So you can see in that way. So simple thing, just only for the breadth we applied some other concept to find out the height of the equivalent triangle, or else you can use the Pythagoras theorem. You can find out the area of the rectangle. Any diagrams in this type.